Very good morning and welcome back, dears. In this revision module, we are going to start a visit to Cambridge. We'll see chapter number 7, a visit to Cambridge. Who visit to Cambridge? Firdaus Konga. A well-renowned writer, Firdaus Konga, went to Cambridge. Where is Cambridge situated? Cambridge is in England. Okay. So Cambridge is most favorable and most honorable institution in England. Okay. And Firdaus Kanga wanted to meet to whom? So the great personality. Okay. He was disabled, but he was the great scientist Stephen Hawking. Firdaus Kanga went to meet Stephen Hawking. Okay. And Firdaus Kanga want to meet Stephen Hawking and want to know about him because he was disabled, but he was the great scientist. Okay. And he just he cannot walk. Okay. He just maneuver his wheelchair. Okay, he cannot speak, but he had computer in his wheelchair. Okay, so whatever he want to speak, the computer can speak. Okay, his wordings, the computer can catch his mind signal. Okay, about speaking, then speak, then talk. So Stephen Hawking was the well-renowned scientist of the world. Okay, and he was disabled by birth. Okay, but he couldn't disappoint. Okay, he couldn't forgive, and he always do her great. He always do his great duty for science. Okay, so Firdaus Kanga wanted to meet him because Firdaus Kanga also a disabled person. Okay, he had also disability. He couldn't walk even. Okay, so he wanted to meet Stephen Hawking. And if we talk about Stephen Hawking, so Stephen Hawking is successor of Isaac Newton. Okay, that time in Cambridge University, Stephen Hawking was successor of Isaac Newton. Okay, and he never gave up. He always worked for science. So Firdaus Kanga wanted to meet, and Stephen Hawking has a busy schedule. That's why one day he called to Stephen Hawking's office. Okay, and a person, an associate of Stephen Hawking, picked the call, and Firdaus Kanga asked, I want to meet Mr. Hawkins. Okay, and I am on wheelchair right now. So then the person decided to fix meeting for half an hour only. Okay, half an hour. Then Firdaus Kanga went to Stephen Hawking's house. They had a conversation. Then Firdaus Kanga asked many questions. Okay, like number one, how do you feel when people just come to you with sympathy? When people show their sympathy. So that time he speaks that we should be hard, we should be active. What we have, okay, which we should just pick our qualities what we have. If we have disabilities, so we have certain qualities also, and it's not good when people come and show us their sympathy. It means that time we feel very weak. Okay, they should not do that. Okay, that time he feel very weak. Okay, he feels very weak when someone shows sympathy for him. Okay, because then someone realized that he is weak, he is disabled. Okay, like that. So then what, then they had 1 hour questioning. Okay, the Stephen Hawking reply, and Stephen just tell one thing. Okay, we cannot we can't show, okay, all the time as brave. Okay, Stephen just tell to Kanga, we can't show ourselves, we are disabled, we can't show ourselves all the time brave. Okay, we are weak from body, but our mind is active. Okay, everyone has a soul. Okay, and soul never dies, and soul never weak. Okay, so our soul is always active. Like that, in Stephen Hawking, Firdaus Kanga saw that his body was disabled, his body was useless, but his thoughts, his imagination, his productivity, his innovation, okay, his active soul, okay, is still young. Okay, was young, everything was young. Okay, and that things giving power to what name, Stephen Hawking. So like that, author to Cambridge. Okay, and author here about Stephen Hawking. Okay, Stephen Hawking was a successor of Isaac Newton and was sitting in Cambridge University. Okay, so author call his residence. Okay, Stephen Hawking associate allow him, because he was also disabled, so allow him to meet Stephen Hawking for half an hour only. Okay, then they had meeting. Okay, so he made with Stephen Hawking. He asked many questions to Hawking. Okay, then Stephen Hawking just show his exhaustion and frustration. Okay, how he show? So he just tell that, okay, when someone come to them, to disabled people, okay, and ask many question to people. Okay, so they got exhausted. Okay, they ask about their disabilities. Okay, and they show their mercy and sympathy. So we realize like poor or disabled more. Okay, then the author observed Hawking's appearance. Then when author saw Hawking's appearance, so he was disabled, he couldn't walk even, he couldn't talk even. Okay, he had that device to talk. That device catch Hawking mind thoughts and speak. Okay, but the person Hawking was a great scientist. Okay, he worked on distance and what name, black hole. Okay, then Kanga keeps on with the meeting. Okay, so Kanga just watching his time all the time in the watch, that half an hour is going to complete, but the meeting was for 1 hour. Okay, then Stephen Hawking's accompanied with Kanga went to his garden, and he saw his garden. Okay, but there was sunlight, so he couldn't speak too much, because this device, this screen removing all the wordings. Okay, due to the sunlight. So like that, Hawking, Firdosh Kanga spent a good time with Stephen Hawking. Okay, and he want to kiss his hand, he want to kiss this great person's hand, but at last he just touched his shoulder and went from there. Okay, so it was about a visit to Cambridge. We'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.